my review of the Zassenhaus Brasilia coffee grinder, which is this one. When you unbox it, this is what you get if you choose the mahogany version. And I can say now, after using it for 2 months, that this has become my preferred way to make coffee. It's so much better than anything else I've tried. Because of the taste, obviously, but that's not the only reason. It's just such a nice experience to grind your own coffee manually like this. Because you get this intimate connection with your coffee, almost spiritual. It just feels right. And I will not go back to buying pre-ground coffee. And I don't want an electric coffee grinder. This is a solid piece of machinery with a 25-year warranty on the grinding mechanism. So just the feeling of a well-built machine that will last so long is a luxury feeling in itself. And you get a little workout, and it's just a great experience to be making coffee with this. I'll show how I use it.
So there are, as I say, many kinds of guru. But the problem of the guru is to show the inquirer in some effective way that he already has what he's looking for.